Hey, guess what? Great news! Most of the things, probably the thing you're stressing about right now, won't mean shit in 2 years. Probably it won't. Now, there are some things, maybe somebody passed away, something like that, something that's been very, very, very traumatic. But those things, the very traumatic things, can actually be the thing that helps reshape our whole perspective on life. Somebody passed away, something really, really bad happened. And sure, there's a time for grieving. Absolutely, we need to feel our emotions. But underneath that emotion, there's something you can apply to your life to take it to the next level. And then outside of that, most of the things we stress about won't mean crap. They won't mean shit. They won't mean anything in a couple years. But we're always going to the next thing to stress about. Our mind is like a hamster wheel. It needs something to stress about at all times. Guess what? Why? Because the way the human mind exists is that it is designed to protect and preserve us. So we needed, through our ancestors when they were in caves and running from giant things that eat them, and earlier on in human evolution, we needed fear. Our brain's primary purpose was protect and preserve. It was just here to protect and preserve us. Now, society has evolved in such a way that we live in heated homes and we have water to drink and we have a car to drive, or we have general safety. Like, there's not going to be a Tyrannosaurus Rex that's going to rip your roof off and come in and eat you. And we don't have the impending threats on our life that we used to have. But our brain hasn't evolved. So now, instead of being on the lookout for animals that are going to eat you and stuff like that, and how you're going to get water for the day and whatever else it is, the brain, still with that same way that it works, is looking for things to protect and preserve you from. So it's like, shit, you should stress about that $4 coffee that you just bought. Oh my God. I mean, think about that really awful way that one relationship ended. And I mean, what are you going to do in 19 years when you retire? Are you going to have enough money? And I mean, oh my God, you just paid your car insurance for 6 months. What are you going to do in another 6 months? That was so expensive. I mean, can you believe what's going to happen if things don't keep working as well as they're working right now? And I just don't know. I mean, what happens if that person that I'm dating right now ends up in 9 more months not being cool anymore? And it's just looking for things to stress about. So take a breath with me. Feel your shoulders relaxing. Bring them up, bring them back down. Go like this. Smile. Bring them up, bring them back down. And ask yourself this question. Is what I'm stressing about right now worth losing my peace over? Is what I'm stressing about right now worth losing my peace over? Comment down below. What I'm stressing won't mean shit or crap, whatever word, maybe use crap. But if it's something that you say, yeah, Jake, you're right about that, comment it down below. Say, yes, my stress won't mean crap. Or yes, my stress won't mean anything. Comment that down below. Comment that down below, and let's see how many stresses are really, they might be things to address, but they are things that are going to make or break our life. And the way our mind is designed is it always is in fight or flight mode. And I just want to remind you of that today, that life is beautiful, life is great. Comment that down below. Life is beautiful. It is. It's beautiful. And I just want to remind you of that you're still alive, that, what is life expectancy, like 72 years or something? You still got a lot of years left in you. And life expectancy at the same time is only 72 years. We only have so much time on this planet. Let's enjoy it. What is one way you can enjoy and live life to the fullest? Maybe something traumatic happened. Someone passed away in your family or whatnot. What is one way you can live your life in honor of that person that passed away, or the trouble, one of your friends is very, very, very sick? What's one way you can live your life in honor? Well, they will be proud of you because they want you to live your life to the fullest. And this is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. Comment down below one way you can live life to the fullest today. What's one way you can live life to the fullest today? Pick it. Come on, you can do it. And remember, most of the things that we're stressing about, they won't mean much in a few years. Have a beautiful day. And I appreciate you watching this video. If you haven't yet, download my free success hypnosis, jakeshypnosis.com, to train your subconscious mind for success, for abundance, for prosperity. It's all in the subconscious programming, and you can make your subconscious programming habitually attracting the right people, the right circumstances, prosperity, abundance, success, love. You can literally become an unconscious magnet for those things, and it starts in the subconscious. So you can download my free success hypnosis, jakeshypnosis.com. Hit the subscribe button, the bell notification, that's what notifies you for new videos. Support this channel by hitting the like button. Hit the like button, and then support this channel by going out and doing something that honors the fact that you are alive today. Something amazing, something grand, starting something, doing something different, the thing that you've been meaning to do. Go out and do it. Take a deep breath. Go like this, smile, and have a beautiful day.